Our goal this time around is to make some update to our phones table. We're going to write two separate queries here. Just so you know, the only reason you're writing two queries is just so this whole testing tool works correctly. We don't technically need to do the second select statement. All right, so our goal is to take a look at all the different phones here. We want to update the N8s units sold from 7543 to 8543. So to write out this query, we would put in update phones. We're then going to specify the update we want to make to a phone. So I'm going to set units sold to 8543. And then finally, we're going to filter down and specify exactly which rows we want to actually update. So in this case, we want to find all the rows where the name is equal to N8, like so. And that should be it. That is our update statement right there. So then we will write out a very quick query just to select all the rows and columns of the phones table. So I'm going to put in here select star from phones. And that's it. I'm going to check my solution, see how we're doing. And yep, looks good. So if I take a look at the output over here, I should see that N8 has units sold of 8543. Fantastic.